Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from East Central Wisconsin, where a 117 horsepower John Deere 4425 combine equipped with a 125 bushel grain tank is harvesting winter wheat with a 13-foot wide John Deere 213 grain head. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this harvesting action. The John Deere 4425 was new to the North American market for 1986 and was offered through 1989. Manufactured in Zweibrücken, Germany, it was an entry-level combine for farmers running smaller acreages that did not require the larger Titan II series machines manufactured in East Moline, Illinois. The 4425 was the direct replacement for the 100 horsepower 4420, which was manufactured in East Moline from 1980 through 1986. This combine came standard with a 72 bushel grain tank with an optional upgrade to 102 bushels, and it unloaded at 0.8 bushels per second. Major improvements that the 4425 brought to the market over the 4420 were a sound guard cab to improve operator comfort and a reversible feeder house to improve harvesting in tough conditions. The 4425 is powered by a 5.8-liter, 359 cubic inch, 6-cylinder engine rated at 117 horsepower. It's fitted with a 79-gallon diesel fuel tank and features a 4-speed belt-driven Positorque transmission with a top-end speed of 16 miles per hour. The combine has a 24-inch diameter Raspar cylinder that is 41 inches wide. It threshes grain with 4 straw walkers and has a total cleaning area of 5,626 square inches. This combine has a 125 bushel grain tank that pours grain out at 1.5 bushels per second through a 12-foot pivot-style unloading auger. It weighs in at 15,686 pounds. When the John Deere 4425 combine was new, it had a base list price of $61,129. The combine harvesting wheat in this video is equipped with a 13-foot wide John Deere 213 grain head, which had an original cost of $8,778. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this John Deere 4425 combine harvesting winter wheat. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use John Deere combines on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the crops that you harvest with it. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 3,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you're already a member, make sure to hit that alert icon to stay up to date with the latest releases from the channel. As always, thank you for watching.